To check your transaction history on Yahoo Mail, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access the account information. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Account Info or Account Security. Step 3. Navigate to the Transactions section. In the Account Info menu, look for a section labeled Transactions or Payment History. Click on this section to view your transaction records. Step 4. Review your transaction history. You will see a list of all your transactions. This may include payments, subscriptions, and other financial activities associated with your Yahoo account. Browse through the list to find specific transactions. Step 5. Download or export your history if needed. If you need a copy of your transaction history, look for an option to download or export the data. This may be available as a CSV or PDF file, depending on Yahoo's features. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Yahoo Mail. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Yahoo's help resources for more assistance.